Hi, welcome to KSRO Labs. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your Odoo business with AI tools using our MCP module, step by step. Imagine this: you're managing your business in Odoo and want quick insights without digging through data. What if an AI agent could automatically analyze your business and give you accurate answers instantly? Well, that's exactly what the MCP module helps you do. It makes your workflow smarter and a lot easier. Let's get started. First, open Claude. Now head over to Settings and click on Connectors. Next, click on Add Custom Connector. Here, enter the connector name as Odoo MCP KSRO Labs. Right below that, add the base URL of your connector. Make sure to include /MCP at the end of the URL. This step is important. Once that's done, click Add. Now simply click Connect and authorize the integration. And just like that, your MCP module is now successfully connected. Now, let's see it in action. Go ahead and ask Claude a question, something like, "What's my sales report for this month?" Normally, Claude wouldn't have access to this data, but now, with MCP connected, it analyzes your business data and instantly gives you accurate, real-time insights. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can also ask, "Create a portal page of my sales report for last month." And just like that, the AI doesn't just answer your question, it actually generates a structured portal page for you. No manual work, no searching, just results, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected the MCP module with Claude or any AI agent to manage and understand your Odoo business more efficiently. If you ever need help, you can always come back to this guide. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to get started.